Hey you guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out my short video here. I got another update for you. Usually it's a market update, but today we're going to talk about a little bit something a little different. We're going to talk about insurance. I just felt like I needed to get this out there and share it with you guys because insurance does affect the cost of real estate, especially if you have it included into your mortgage payment. So if you're buying a house and you're going to get a new mortgage and your payment is inclusive of your insurance, your property taxes, and your mortgage payment together, which means your monthly mortgage payment might be a little bit higher. Also, if you have an existing mortgage and your premium goes up the next time it renews because you've probably paid for a full year in advance, that your mortgage payment might go up again a little bit more. So you can see an increase anywhere from maybe $50 to $100 a month on your mortgage. So hopefully this helps. You might be able to just get in front of that a little bit. Reach out to your insurance company or whoever your carrier is now, especially if your mortgage payment includes your homeowner's insurance. Try to get some adjustments. Maybe do a little bit of shopping. Figure out if you can get a better plan, better pricing. Anyways, long and short of it is one of the insurance carriers that we've done business with had shared some information because I asked, what's the deal with the rising rates? And he sent over some information that I get to share with you guys. So if you don't mind, I'm going to just read from my tablet here because this is the email that he sent me. And so Aaron basically has three topics for us. The first one is a rising claim cost. So he goes on to write, costs associated with claims, including repairs, medical expenses, have been steadily increasing. So if you're thinking about everything across the board, well, what hasn't gone up lately, right? The cost of everything. Food, gas, you name it. We're paying more for everything. That is directly affecting that because of the rising claim cost. The second thing would be the impact of natural disasters. Now, we've seen a lot of that, hurricanes, wildfires on the West Coast. I mean, there's been a lot going on over the past few years. And even in some cases, like in Florida or some of your southern states, some of the insurance carriers have pulled out. I have clients that have relocated or have maybe two properties that I spoke to as well. They said it's getting very difficult to even get a policy in some of the southern states because of the issues. A lot of the national carriers have pulled out of that just because of that reason. Catastrophic weather events have hit the U.S. more frequently in the recent years, the past few years. This has resulted in higher payouts for insurers, which raises insurance premiums, of course, across the board. Go figure, right? The last one, of course, is regulatory changes. That one's always going to come into effect, but changes in regulation can necessitate adjustments to premiums. The State Department of Insurance places regulatory requirements on carriers and often dictates premium increases. This is designed to protect consumer, although often with minimized competition and carriers shutting off their businesses or pulling out of states completely, leaving consumers with less options. So again, this is just a little bit of a heads up, you guys. I wouldn't panic about it. You might pay a little bit more in premium. I know I did. I pay for all my insurance policies 6 months in advance. So I do my homeowners, my car, my RV, everything at once. I pay in advance. That gets me a pretty good discount. That's a possibility. You might be able to do that as well. Again, if your mortgage payment includes your insurance, check into that before and find out the next time your policy is going to be renewed and paid again. You might be able to switch or try to get a better discount from your current carrier. So just a heads up on that, guys. If you ever have any questions, of course, don't forget you can reach out to me at any time, call, text, or email, and give us a like and follow the page. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.